one.
What's up, y'all?
Hey loves, what is up you guys? I'm back with another video. Today I have Landon with me and we're gonna do a Valentine's Day tutorial.
Hey everybody. What do you say we get into it?
Let's go.
A few moments later.
Alright you guys, we are going to be starting off with the Morphe 25C Hey Girl Hey palette. Alright, so using this tan color as her transition shade, we are going to buff that into the outer corners and in the crease to give us an easier transition into the darker shades. Now we're going to dip into this medium purple and we're going to start on the outer corner of the eye and just kind of work it inwards, focusing on the crease and just pretty much going all over the lid. This is our base color and we're going to use this to build up to make our smoky eye. So now we're going to go in with this dark purple and we are going to push that in from the outside and mainly focus on the crease in the outer corner. Now dipping into the black and mixing it with our darker purple, we are going to push this in from the outside to make sure that we have that good dark smoky eye and not push it past the center of the eye. Just keep this on the outer corner and a little bit into the crease. And now I'm going back to our medium purple to kind of buff all of that out and make sure there's no harsh lines between the inner corner and the outer. Now with a clean blending brush, I'm just going to go on this outside and blend everything out. Make sure there's no harsh lines and it just kind of transitions very beautifully. So using your dark and your medium purple and a pencil brush, just buff that into the bottom lash line almost all the way to the inner corner to get that good smoky dark effect and just blend it out as best as you can. So again, using a clean short bristle blending brush, you can just blend all of that out so there's no harsh lines and it's very seamless and smoky. So with this shimmery red color, we are just going to sweep that across the eyelid on the inner corner and make sure to blend that with the crease into the outer corner. And again, with your pencil brush, you're going to go into the bottom lash line and buff that shimmery color in there. With such a dark look, I just went ahead and did a very simple liner with a liquid eyeliner. I believe it's Maybelline Master Precise. I'm not sure. Now using an Auburn potted brow gel that I got from Walmart, I am going to fill in her eyebrows, basically very natural, just kind of following her natural eyebrow shape and just making it a little bit cleaner and sharper. Mascara was applied to her natural lashes off camera. Now I'm just going to pop on some false lashes. These are the Flirty by Kiss. I do believe you can find these at Walmart or pretty much any cheap store. Now with a small fan brush, I'm going to go directly under her eyebrow tail and highlight her brow bone with a white shimmery highlighter. I will also go into the inner corner of her eyes and highlight that as well to make sure her eyes pop. Because the eyes are very bold, I'm going to go in with a very natural, very nude lip. And now, the final look. So that is our final look, you guys. Thanks for watching. That is our Valentine's Day look. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!